Real quickly, can you go in there and try to start it for me? 2021 Jeep Renegade.
The sun baked it.
Nothing. My car lock doesn't work either. None of this is happening.
You guys driving it all?
Really?
Yeah, we drove it.
So then that tells me right now that this is not a battery issue.
Larry, we didn't drive it in the rain today, right? It wasn't raining.
Plugs? Sparks? Maybe?
No, it's not a battery issue.
Plugs? Sparks?
Nope. Security.
Ooh, fun deal.
Electrical problems.
Is it the rain?
No.
Nope, more Fiat electrical issues. I'm about to fix it.
Okay.
You shoot the king?
Nope, that's a common problem.
You're like, nope.
It's in lockdown mode now.
How do you do it?
Do you have the other key to the vehicle?
Yeah.
Can you grab it for me?
Yeah.
Sorry.
All right.
Oh, it's smoking.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Sometimes you gotta wash it in the rain because, you know, your plugs and your sparks and your fucking,
Yeah, is that what it is? Oh. What'd you say it could be?
What's up?
What'd you say it could be?
It could be any range of things. It
Here.
seems like it's locked out.
Okay.
Let's see. This is very interesting. Okay, so to show everyone exactly what was going on, that is actually not a jump relay right there. This is a 2021 Jeep Renegade. That is actually the negative post for this connector right here. Kind of looks like a an airline for a compressor, as you could say. But yeah, that's how the negative is now. So of course, over-engineered, and it's probably going to be corroded at some point and more than likely break, like we're used to with Fiat vehicles. But yes, that's what it is easy disconnect for a negative cable, and that's why the whole system was not responding. The whole system seems to be good, except for, I will tell you, the driver's side headlight seems to be far brighter than the passenger side. Hop in there, go ahead and try to give it a start real quick.
I don't think it's gonna work.
You never quite know. I would love to give you that one. Is it a diesel?